Hello, welcome. If this is your first time to come across this channel, my name is Antoine Lusambo, but some of my friends call me Anthony. Well, today I'm going to talk about how to make banana chips. Okay, if you want to make chips using bananas, okay, this is how I'm going to show you today how to do it. Well, here are some plantain that I have that I'm going to use today. Now, the first step here is to wash them properly. Okay, take your time, use enough water to wash these bananas before you do anything else. Next step is to peel. Okay, you have to peel the bananas. Peel the bananas. Okay, take your time. Okay, don't be in hurry. Okay, I'm so happy, I'm so glad that you came across this channel where I'm teaching how to make banana chips, and I would advise you to come here every day because I'll be talking about different topics. I'm here, I'm a teacher, I like to teach about different topics, so I'll be showing you so many things. You're gonna learn a lot. I talk about finances, I talk about cryptocurrency, I talk about so many things. Okay, even English, if you want to learn English, French, I will teach you how to do so. Well, next step is to slice. You have to slice them. Slice the bananas. Okay, I have a song that I used to teach my students. I will go like the song goes like this. um Go, it's called Go Banana. Okay, Go Banana. Here we are peeling the banana, we slice the banana. Now after slicing bananas, you put them on a plate. Okay, you put them on a plate, and then you add something. Okay, some spices. In this case I put chili. Okay, this is chili powder, but you don't have to do it. Okay, you don't have to put chili. This was my taste. Okay, you, if you want, you just put, you just add salt. Okay, you just add salt as I'm doing here, but you don't have to add chili. But if you also like chili, yes, why not? You add some chili and then you shake it. Shake it. Shake it properly. Okay, shake it so that the chili or the salt will go deeper into the bananas. You can still add some salt. Okay, if you see the one that you put is not enough, you can still add salt, and you can shake it all. Shake it, shake it, shake it, make it even. Great, you are ready to go. You need to add oil. I put sunflower. I use sunflower oil, and you can also use any type of oil that you have. Use the saucepan to fry them. Now, before you put your bananas inside this oil, you have to make sure your oil is really hot in order to avoid for the banana to suck the oil that you have there. Okay, and keep frying, fry. You will see the color which is going to change. Okay, the color is changing, it's changing. Now it's becoming brown. Okay, now I think the bananas are ready to eat. Oh my goodness. Now take your bananas, put it on a serviette. Okay, use a serviette because it's going to help you to absorb the oil that is in the bananas, and then you are ready to eat. Thank you for watching. You've done a great job. You watched this video till the end. I'm really grateful. Come back again, click on the subscribe button or click on the like button to encourage me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.